As a beginner, this environment may look strange to you, so I'm going to take my time to explain each and everything that you see here. In fact, this entire space that you are seeing is regarded as the desktop, which is your desktop screen, and is divided into, let's say, basically two major portions. Here is the taskbar, and here is your start button. And this is the screen itself where you have different kind of programs represented, and the representation is done with symbols. As you can see, this symbol is known as icon. It represents a specific program. This particular one you are seeing here also is an icon, and it represents a specific program, while this is a folder. These are folders. These are folders that contains files that are created with different packages on the system. And this is your recycle bin. Whatever it is that you delete from this portion of the screen will be stored temporarily on the recycle bin. So these are also applications that has icon representation on the desktop. Now, if you are working on any program, you can minimize them temporarily and they will be here on your taskbar, because all the tasks that you are carrying out are all saved temporarily here, except maybe when you close them. If you don't close any of your programs, they will all be minimized on your taskbar, which means you can multitask. You can manage two or more things at a time using your taskbar by simply minimizing and switching to another program. And here is your start button. Any program that is not found on this screen and is on the system can be searched out using the start button. So what you are expected to do here is to simply click on the start button, and then you search for the program that you want to launch simply by coming here, click on this search, and then whichever program you want to launch, maybe Word for example, type Word, and here it is. Then you simply click on it, and then the application will be launched. Yeah, here it is. So here, if you want to create a blank document, you just simply click on blank document. Yeah, this is a Word document file, but I just simply showed you how to launch a program though, and how to also minimize them. Take for example, this is the document we just created. You can do a lot with it. These three items here are known as the control box. It enables you to minimize, maximize, and restore, and then close a program. Let's try them out. This is minimize. Now, when you want to maximize it, you simply come under the taskbar and click on it. It will be maximized. When you want to close it, you simply come to this star sign, and then cross sign. Sorry, star sign rather. Then you close it. So that is it. And then let's try out creation of a folder and housing that folder with a file. So say for example, if you see all these folders, you can see that something is contained inside each and every one of it. So let's just create something of our own from scratch. Say for example, you want to create this folder on your desktop screen. You simply right click on it, you select new, and then you select folder. Now it will simply request for you to name that folder. Something like this will be on the screen. So you press backspace button under your keyboard to wipe out what you have here now, and then write whatever it is you want to write as the name of the folder. So let's simply wipe this out and then type learn. Yes, learn is the name of our folder. So we'll click out, and then we can click and drag to whichever position we want it to be. Now this folder is empty. Let's open it, double click on it. This folder is what? Empty as it is now. So if you want to copy a file into it, you can simply drag it in by holding your click button and then dragging it down. You can see I'm moving that file down into the folder. Any file that I want to move into this folder now, I'll just hold click button and then drag it down. I'm moving it. Hold click button and then drag it down. If you check the status of this folder now, it contains 3 items, and I selected one. So that is it. So you can also click on this close whenever you want to close it. So that is how to create a folder and house it up with files. So that is basically about the intro into the desktop environment. The next thing we shall be looking at is introduction to the Office packages, which is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. Thanks for your time.